Hello, everyone. I hope everyone's good. Our fishies are good. There they are. It's starting to get cold. There's actually a call for snow tonight. It's 43 or, 6.1 degrees Celsius. Well, I am just coming on here to say hi, and I'll do that after. And have a daily look at the fish. So I am going to be working on my Christmas lights. So how about we go over there? This was never a path, but it's kind of turned into a path. Oh man. Oh, the grass is like getting frostbitten. Oh, that's so good. All right, how about we go there? All right. So this is like the highest tree that I put lights on. So I was doing it last night. It was getting dark, and it gets dark and cold now. So this is the pole that I use. It's actually an apple picking pole. So here, hold on. All right. So as you can see, this pole goes really high. Here, let's just stand it up. Like, it's, like this tree, I'm pretty sure the pole's like, I don't know. I get, oh, geez, sorry guys. I give it, 15 feet. And the tree's like taller than that. Anyways, it really makes putting lights up pretty easy. So, and if I need to go higher, just go on a ladder. So yeah, that's so those are going to be some multicolored lights. Got some lights here. Got lights on this, just blue on this guy. These ones change color. I'm definitely going to put some on this guy. And then, so I got my star up here. I usually put, I have a tree that I put there. And then I put ho, 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 Merry Christmas right there. And then I got this sign here. Slow down elf crossing. So I put that there because everyone comes down my road and it's like a hill kind of, and they come and then they go and it's like open fields. So they always love to just speed, and like I got kids, you know, like, so that's my my own sign. So last year I just had the slow down going, and anyways, some kid came. I'm assuming it's a kid, but who knows? It could have been an adult. And literally, like, see, if you look here, it's all broken. They literally just broke it. So I put even more 2x4s behind it, and I haven't had a single issue since. So people know I don't have it on during the summer, but so this is the this right here. That's the new Asian pear that I put up. This one's an Asian pear too. So I got how many Asian pears now? 1, 2, I got the mother one here. That's my favorite tree. Actually, if you look, there's one stuck right there. It's actually huge too. It's stuck. I got this one, which was a seed from one of my coworkers. And then I got the other one here that I planted, which is a seed from the mother tree. Both small ones are from seeds. So, anyways, at one point, and it's just going to be pear trees, I think. Pears and hazelnuts. Like, this is a hazelnut. Hazelnuts. I don't care for, like, the plum. This should be a good one. But, yeah. And then I got this. The Aronia. All right, so I have all these lights, and these ones look like lights, which they are, but they're lights that don't work. So I use those as extension cords. These lights work. It looks like a horrible mess, but it's actually like unorganized. They're all wound up and whatnot. And then I'm gonna have this. I still have the Happy Halloween. A couple fell off there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Not sure. But I'm gonna do something. Yeah. And then I'm actually gonna turn these lights on. I've decided. Hopefully they all work. I haven't even tried. So, hopefully. All right. Let's see if they'll eat. I was really disappointed. I bought this cheap little camera that you could upload videos from. Actually, I could just use the SD card and upload the video with that. Never thought of that. So maybe I'll try that. Anyhow, please subscribe, guys. Please share and like the video. And, just keep on being awesome. They're all like, I'm not gonna eat. Anyhow, you guys have yourselves a fantastic night.